hold on.
You gotta press F12.
That didn't do shit.
Look, to show my commitment, I'm gonna run down there into that building and knock that dude out for you, okay? Just for you. So you know I'm friendly. I'm gonna risk everything that I got just to show you that I'm friendly. Don't shoot the guy with the blue hard hat. Hey, Puffcoat, where you going? Aren't you my friend?
Yo, friend!
Hey!
Where you going, bro?
Where'd that other dude go?
Easy E? It's me.
Where'd that other dude go? There was a guy aiming at them.
I have no idea, man.
Oh, shit, okay. Yo, I just got it out. I need a little more supplies. I was looking at whether or not
I'm gonna chop your legs off, dude. I'm gonna chop your motherfucking legs off now. You ready to talk?
Hey, you better stop or I'll shoot you. I'll just shoot you, bro.
Yo, man. This shit is here.
You better stop. Just stop. Just stop.
Okay,
stop.
I'm
Look.
I'll lay down. 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 I'm laying down.
Take off your helmet now.
Take the helmet off.
Helmet now.
Take the helmet
Now.
off.
Take off your helmet. Take the helmet off.
Take this shit. Take all the shit. Take this shit. That's what you get, bitch. Yeah. I need the only thing I need is his helmet.
Yeah. Whoa now.
I don't think they're shooting at us, are they?
This dude had mad right.
Hey, Alfie, I told you, I'm very committed. Very committed.
Hey, where's the other guy?
I'm gonna hide this guy's body so that sporter disappears.
What happened? This guy, oh, you killed him?
Yeah, I knocked
You
his...
just gonna knock him out.
Yeah, I did, and then he respawned somewhere else. See, I'm very committed, Alfie. Can I get a reach around? Just kidding.
He was your friend. Oh shit.
Nuh-uh, Alfie. He was aiming up there shooting at you
He said his
guys.
friends are in Savetlo.
I didn't kill him. I only knocked him out. He's the one that
How did you
respawned.
shoot me?
I didn't
Alright,
kill him, Alfie.
You wanna get?
No.
Kill some get.
Alfie, why?
Alfie, kill some bandits for us, bro. We need some
Forest? Why run to the forest? I took his shit, dude. I took his shit. Take his shit. Take his shit. Get out of here. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Get shot at. Go. I'm a badass motherfucker. Badass motherfucker. Subscribe, bitches! You gotta subscribe. If you don't subscribe, I can't help you. Can't give you them laughs.